Hello and welcome back to Home Go Time, your go-to destination for inspiration and ideas in home decor and design. Cottagecore, farmhouse and vintage DIY trendy decor ideas you'll want to try. Some of the most inspiring home transformations start with a simple DIY, and this year vintage, rustic farmhouse and cottagecore decor is everywhere. These cozy, character-filled styles are making a big impact, thanks to their warmth, texture, and lived-in charm. If you're looking to decorate on a budget but still want a stylish, timeless home, these viral DIY ideas are the perfect starting point. This style is all about blending comfort with creativity. Think distressed finishes, antique-inspired details, layered fabrics, soft florals, and lots of natural texture. You don't need a full makeover. Just a few well-placed pieces, a creative eye, and a love for handmade charm. From rustic shelves and painted furniture to thrifted finds and cozy textiles, every detail counts. In today's video, we're diving into DIY decor trends that are taking over social media and showing you how to recreate the look at home. You'll see clever ways to give old items new life, easy crafts that add character, and styling tips to make your home feel both relaxed and beautifully curated. These ideas are all about comfort, charm, and creating a space that truly feels like you. So whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just getting started, this video will give you plenty of inspiration to try something new. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a fresh idea from Home Go Time. Thanks for being here today. I hope these cozy, vintage-inspired DIY ideas help you feel excited to create a space that's full of warmth and personality. Whether you're reworking a corner or styling a full room, it's the small handmade touches that bring the most heart to your home. Until next time, keep decorating with creativity, comfort, and a touch of timeless charm.